I'm right over here. I'm out here fishing at the lake. Trying to get some dinner, guys. See what we can get. Beautiful scenery. Water's real calm over here. Yeah. The sun feels good on the face. Outside. Swamplands in Florida. Probably get an alligator gar or something. So I'm shooting for a big bass or some crappie or tilapia.
Trending or not running around.
Look at this water over here. Really check out this beautiful scenery. Back in here in the marshlands. So cool, guys. There's like different habitats of fish that live in this black water too. You get like the alligator gars. These vines you can eat. And these vines you can eat. Drink the water out of these vines over here too. If you get too thirsty. Definitely gotta watch your snakes back in here, guys. But me, I'm trying to see if I can catch maybe a fish or two for dinner. If not, we got some pork chops we're gonna be cooking up, so. Alright. Got my pole. I'm gonna try to find another spot maybe where I can catch some tilapias or something. Yeah. So, yeah. Out here with the kids too. So. Guys, what's up? It's Adam. I'm out here in the marshlands of Florida. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a survival spear. You wanna, stack an alligator or an alligator gar or a fish, whatever you guys want to get. So I got him out here with my son, Brendan and Trendon.
Yep. Minecraft.
Go over here, this there's a stick here. Looks like a pretty good stick. Nice, lightweight, dry. I can throw it easy. I'm just gonna sharpen the end of it here. The wind's picking up, so try to hurry up and do this before it gets too windy.
Yes,
Just sharpen the end of this. Alright. Just sharpen the end of it like that. So you guys can see it's starting to get sharp. Pretty sharp. You could spear a fish.
I think you need to stab it more.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put some
Big
barbs on
fish.
there. You put some barbs on there like that, so as you snag a fish, it'll stay on there.
Like right there. Stop it.
See those little barbs like that.
Look at that. It's a,
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
it's a circle, but I stay.
Pretty lightweight.
Fish stick. No, I got fish stick.
See,
Oh, fish stick.
like it works pretty good. Kicking the ground good, guy.
Mama, I pressed my tree.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, I pressed my tree.
Yeah.
I pressed my tree. I pressed my tree. I got a tree. Mama, put the tree down. Are you? Mama, I got a tree.
Yeah.
Why you pressing my tree? No, I want that.
Hey, this is not stream. We're right here. Uh-oh.
It's not tree. Look at that tree.
Right here, you can actually eat those. They're edible. You're in a survival situation and you need to eat something. You eat those.
Hey. Brandon. Put it up. Mm-hmm.
Right here in beautiful Florida. You guys